Okay class, we're going to learn about 3D shapes.
Excuse me, teacher. Can I go to the toilet, please?
Sure. But be back here quick.
Okay.
Right then, before we start, we will wait for... Oh no! It's a fire. Class, come to fire assembly point outside the school.
April Fools. Suckers.
Geese Howard. So it was you who pulled the fire alarm as a prank? You don't ever pull the fire alarm. That's it. Go to the principal's office now. So Geese Howard, what brings you to my office?
I pulled a fire alarm as a prank. Because it's April Fools.
Geese Howard. You don't ever pull the fire alarm as a prank. We take fire drill seriously. That's it. You're suspended for 4 weeks. Get out now. Hey Geese Howard. I got news for you.
What is it, Terry Bogard?
You passed every education in school. Now you can go to adult college.
Yes, 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 I can go to adult college.
Right back at you. April Fool's Day, motherfucker. Geese Howard. How dare you pull the fire alarm as a prank and get suspended? It's not a joke. That's it. You're grounded, 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 grounded. For 80 years. Go to your room. Now.
No, you tricked me. What?